Welcome to another quick and powerful JavaScript tutorial. Today, we're decoding strings that have been encoded using Base64. This is especially useful when working with data in Node.js or over the web. Let's see how to go from gibberish looking text back to readable form. Let's get started. Base64 strings are everywhere. Images in HTML, API payloads, encoded auth tokens. Our goal is to decode these back to the original readable form. In this example, we'll use decode in zm9vymfy into the string foobar. Let's see how to do that using Node.js. We define a function called atob, short for ASCII to binary. It creates a new buffer object with the input string and the Base64 encoding. Then we call toString binary to decode it. This is a standard method in Node.js for handling Base64 data. The Base64 string is turned into binary data by passing into a buffer. Buffers are Node.js's way of dealing with raw data. By converting that buffer into a binary string, we get back the original message. This process is fast, reliable, and works for most Base64 decoding tasks. Let's see it in action. The first input becomes foobar, the second input becomes hello, and the third input gives us world. We'll often decode such strings when handling encoded payloads or API responses. Simple, right? This isn't just theory. Base64 decoding powers real-world apps. From reading JWT payloads to decoding Base64 images in file uploads. Knowing how to decode Base64 strings is a must-have skill. Let's wrap up what we've covered. To summarize, decoding Base64 in Node.js is as easy as using buffer with the right encoding. This tool unlocks functionality across web, auth, and data apps. Keep it handy. You'll use it more than you expect. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.